Titagarh's railway factory in Uttarpara near Kolkata. And this is one of the key sites when it comes to the transformation of the Indian railways. And it's not just Indian railways, but it's pretty much reshaping the public transport as we know it. From metro coaches to the up-and-coming Vande Bharat sleeper trains that we will see rolling out next year, everything gets assembled in this facility.
And this is the Pune Metro, India's only aluminium-bodied metro coach. It's lighter than stainless steel, more energy efficient over the life of the train, but comes at a higher upfront cost. It's one of the most technically advanced metros being made in the country right now.
How is this different from other metros? We also saw the Bangalore Metro being assembled there. How is Pune Metro different from the Bangalore Metro?
So I think the biggest difference would actually be the material of the car body, where in this case is aluminium and Bangalore is stainless steel. Now, an aluminium car body or an aluminium train is lighter than that of a stainless steel coach. In a life cycle of the train itself, it consumes a lot more energy. It's a lot more energy efficient than a stainless steel coach. But the upfront cost is a little bit higher.
From the car body to cables, panels, HVAC and propulsion, everything comes together on this floor. Some components are imported, but the final assembly, integration and testing are done entirely at this site.
To produce one coach of this Pune Metro, what is the cost like?
So the selling price of the coach is, of an average metro coach, is roughly 10 crores. And the manufacturing cost is quite close to that with a 10% EBITDA.
Okay. We also went through other metros. If you could give us a sense of the order book, what is the order book like? Where are you seeing orders happening and what is the execution timeline?
Sure. So today we have an order book of about 80 trains for Vande Bharat, which is 1,280 coaches. We have an order for the Surat Metro and the Ahmedabad Metro, both of which combined are about 102, 103 odd coaches. We also have the order for Bangalore Metro, which is about 200 odd purchase, 204 odd purchase. So that's the current order book.
What we have understood is that this component right here is the first one that goes on to assembling the upcoming Vande Bharat. Now the prototype is expected sometime soon, but the rollout is sometime next year.
To address the issue of wheel set shortages, the company has tied up with Rachna Forgings and is building its own wheel facility in Chennai, which is expected to be ready by 2026.
With Vande Bharat deliveries starting next year, what is the execution timeline like? Do you have a prototype yet? What is the
Vande Bharat prototype we plan to launch in March or in April of 2026, following which the series production of the trains start and the delivery continues all the way up till 2030 or 31, which is as per the contractual delivery schedule of the railways.
So Vande Bharat order is a consortium that you're a part of?
Absolutely.
What is the split there?
So we have 52% of the supply share and BHEL, which is our consortium partner, has 48%.
When we speak of the fleet business, the wagon business, what is the order book like there? Like you said, it's only domestic. Your biggest client is Indian Railways. What's the FY26 outlook for that?
So we have about 10 and a half, 11 odd thousand wagons worth of orders still with us, which will last us for this financial year and a little bit of the next financial year as well. And as I mentioned, we aim to produce anywhere between 900 to 1,000 wagons this year consistently per month.
A recent problem that we saw that hit the industry and also the company was wheel set shortages. How are you dealing with it? You recently came into a joint venture with Ramakrishna. How far along is that? Because that would be a solution to the wheel set shortage.
So the wheel set problem has been a problem which is everlasting and eternal. You know, even when I was a child, I would hear that chakko ki problem ho rahi hai. But this is a problem that temporarily it will be solved now from the month of June itself, because we believe that the rail wheel factory production has ramped up. But the permanent solution to this, as you very rightly said, would be our own facility that comes up in Chennai, which would be ready by February or by March of 2026.
From aluminium metros to sleeper trains and now its own wheel facility, Titagarh's journey reflects the growing role of private players in India's rail story. Industry experts believe that as capex surges, execution and localization will be key. And this factory may just be a glimpse of what the future looks like. In Kolkata, I'm Rachna Dhanrajani.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.